as proclaimed. This is my first proposal in quite some time. I'm already pleased with that. With that said, let me give a segue to make this as smooth of a transition as possible. Like I said, I was, and I am, very thankful that I was able to be working with the GPD group as this inner belt project was being designed. I, of course, like how there is a service road to get in and out, because on the south side of downtown there used to be the entrance ramp from 3rd Street, and there are many people who had to cut over 2 lanes to get on I-71. That was the best that was available at that time. And so with Columbus's downtown being small, be honest with you, for as large of a city as it is, it made sense for there to be a service road to get all the traffic to go to the other side of downtown and to get on the freeway there. No having to cross over 2 lanes within a quarter of a mile, etc. All of it is beautiful, as well as on the east side. There was Broad Street getting on I-71. And again, it's just having to cut over so many lanes to get off of the exit. So the service roads pay off with the downtown being as small as it is. With that said, the replacement signs, particularly from Broad Street to get on I-71, is crumbs. It should be what it was before. There was a traditional significant size for traffic to know if you want to get on 71, turn here. Now it's these little flyers. I'm gonna call it flyer size. This is trash as far as I'm concerned. It's too easy to miss. So therefore, there should be a sign at Broad Street saying, in order to get to I-71 North, as well as to I-670 East, this is the route you take. This same sign also needs to be placed at Long Street as well as at Spring Street along this service road. And along the way, there are the signs showing you can use this lane to go left. You can use this lane to go straight or left. You can use this lane to go straight or right. Along with that, they have I-71. You want to get on I-71, continue in this lane, and eventually it will lead to the on-ramp. Perfect. It just needs to be between Broad Street and Long Street as well. So it's decent on that part, but it needs to be completed. That's it. For now, I think one significant thing about the signs is that it's supposed to usher traffic as if they've never been here before, and they rely on the signs.